Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode what we're going to do is we're going to detail the inside of this car. And the reason why, so you may or may not know yet, but my brother is an electrician and he installed these brand new LED lights into the garage. And this is his family car. And you'll see the reason why he asked me to clean the inside of it as payment for installing those lights in just a second. So with that, just like the last video, and believe me, this car warrants the creepy music, let's start with the creepy music. And let's take a look around. So with that, let's get all the doors shut. Let's get the car in the garage. And just before we get started, bit of shameless self-promotion here. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button for me. That'd be absolutely awesome. Right, before we start removing the mats and all the junk out of the car, I completely forgot to give you a weather update. It's not too bad. It's a wee bit windy, but you know, Scotland in April. Anyway, enough of the weather. Let's get the mats out, get all the junk out of the car, start hoovering all this mess up. Oh my goodness, that took ages. But it's starting to come together. So with that, let's break out the wet vac and the other attachment for the drill brush. And let's get these carpets properly clean before we move on to cleaning all the plastics. So with that, let's crack on. I'm gonna have to apologise, ladies and gentlemen. I did not realise that the camera wasn't on record when I did most of that wet vacuuming and drill brushing. I apologise. I'll make it up to you at some point in the future, I promise. But as you can see, that's now all the carpet's done. So while we let them dry, let's focus on all this manky plastic that's around the place. Deal with that, then we'll come back, hoover all the carpets again so they're nice and clean, and then we'll move on and fix these very dirty leather seats. Right, so now that the leather and the plastics are as clean as I'm going to manage to get them, what I'm going to do just now, I'm going to very quickly hoover the carpets again just to pick up any remaining debris. But I'll save you guys from that because you've already seen me doing quite a lot of hoovering in this video already. So what we'll do is we'll jump on to protecting all the plastics throughout the car, and then we'll leather care the seats. And that should be us good to go. Well, once I get the new car mats. Anyway, let's get on with it. Right, so that's it pretty much complete. All we need to do now is check it outside. So with that, let's jump outside, take a look at it in the sunlight. Okay, so I've clearly been in the garage a little bit longer than I thought I would have been. In that case, we'll just have to check out in the morning. So I'll see you guys in a couple of seconds. And we're back, just like that. Question for you. Have you ever seen it sunny and snowing at the same time? Because that's what's happening right now. Anyway, with that, it's obviously now the next day and the car mats have arrived. So with that, let's very quickly put a car mat in there. Excellent. Let's put all the other car mats in at the same time. Now you're obviously going to have to excuse the fact there is now snow piling into the car, as you can see there. But let's take a look around, see what the end result looks like. Considering what it looked like before, I'd have said this is a remarkable improvement on what it looked like. So with that, that's going to be the end of this week's episode, guys and girls. Hope you enjoyed it. I've got a new rebuild series starting next week. So if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button for me. That would be awesome. And I'll see you in next week's video. Peace.